The race for a vaccine inching ever closer to a potential finish line.
This has been an Australian-wide effort.
This is what a bioprocessing lab looks like.
Researchers at the University of Queensland believe their vaccine is showing promise in trials. It's one of 4 the federal government has inked supply deals for. And once they're proven safe and successful, there's now agreement on how they'll be rolled out.
I'm sure there'll be a lot of people that will be queuing up for this vaccine.
3 groups will be given priority. Those with an increased risk of being exposed to COVID-19, such as frontline health and aged care workers, along with people more vulnerable to illness, including older and Indigenous Australians and those with pre-existing medical conditions. Australians working in critical services placed at the front of the line too. The states and territories also agreeing to keep track of who's had a jab with a national register.
It's going fast, that's true, but all of the processes for regulation will be there.
Regulations have proven effective in controlling the spread of COVID-19 domestically, and the states and territories will start sharing their data more frequently.
There is good reason to be confident in the contact tracing and outbreak management systems in Australia.
So much so that other countries are keen to learn on a day when the United States set a new record with more than 150,000 new infections.
I was invited to do so by President-elect Biden yesterday in our conversation. He was very interested in Australia's success.
The shocking spread of COVID-19 overseas is making it more and more likely Australia's international borders will remain closed for some time yet. Bad news for international students and the universities reliant on their fees. But the Prime Minister believes Australians need priority access to quarantine facilities, with more than 35,000 still on the list waiting to return.
There is a queue, and Australians are in the front of the queue.
A queue that's getting longer as people rush home for Christmas. Matthew Doran, ABC News, Canberra.